Are you interested in learning to help take care of yourself or to learn to help take care of other people in your life? Well, we're here to introduce you to a wonderful program that's being offered. My name is Jed Schwartz, and I'm on the faculty of Jin Shin Jyutsu, Inc., and my associate.
Hi, my name is Iole Lebensztajn. I am an MD, Jin Shin Jyutsu instructor, and also the curriculum coordinator of this new program, the Jin Shin Jyutsu Professional Practitioner Course.
This new program that we're introducing to you is a format that it goes for 9 weeks, which is different than the traditional Jin Shin Jyutsu program that's being taught as a 5-day format. We want to tell you about this class that's starting in September in Morristown, New Jersey. It's the 3rd cycle that we've done in this program. And this is a wonderful opportunity for you and your friends or families to be able to learn Jin Shin Jyutsu from a very, very wonderful, easy way of learning gradually, progressively over 9 weeks. You don't have to know anything to begin this program. You don't even have to have experienced it. But we're giving you an opportunity to be able to start at the ground level, to be able to learn a beautiful art that you can use for the rest of your life.
Jin Shin Jyutsu is an integrative healing art originated in Japan, and it helps to harmonize the whole being, body, mind, emotions, and spirit. It involves the light application of hands on specific locations. We touch these locations to balance the flow of life energy through the body, and this will bring balance of the whole being and well-being.
We invite you to check out more about this information, about how the class is being presented, where it's located, the cost, all of that. And we hope that we've whetted your appetite to want to look more into this subject so that you can find out more about yourself. That's the main thing. How we take care of ourselves is crucial for how we move forward in life. And this program is an opportunity for you to do that.
Share the link with your friends and come and be with us in this wonderful class that will start in September.